TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 21. You get the NASDAQ up 9. S&Ps are up 1.5. Gold contracts up $1, trading at $12.1660 an ounce. We have silver up 8 cents at $17.27. Platinum is up $12, $9.95 an ounce. You get the copper market taking off big time. It's up 4.5 pennies at $2.69 a pound. Light sweet crude up 40 cents, $53.16 a barrel. Notes, the 10-year note down 7 ticks, 124.19. 30-year bond down 12 ticks, 150.120. Now, both notes and bonds, folks, went topside yesterday, had wide price spread, had big volume. You're pulling back this morning. They both want higher price, lower yield. King dollar down 100 ticks. We're at 100.020. King dollar just can't handle higher price. What King dollar did do, it went into a swing point. Didn't have enough volume for an ABC structure on the way down. What you do have, however, is this. King dollar failed the breakout area from November, which is 100.600. Came back inside the range after 3 tests of the high. King dollar is on its way down to the 91 area. I expect that'll take 4 or 5 months. The 95 area is not going to take long. That's where we took off from November 4th, 95 to 103. Bottom line, looks like it wants to run back to 95 just as quick. Euro, the euro is trading at 107, and the yen is at 113.02. We get over and we take a look at the S&Ps. What you have with the S&Ps is this. Yesterday, sideways moved, light volume. Right now, you're at 226.34. What has happened since the high that was generated out here on December 13th, bottom line, you don't have buyers on the way up. You don't have sellers on the way down. That being said, there is still more volume on the way down, so I expect you're going to try to get into the 224.83, and right now we're at 226.35. We take a look at the Dow Industrials. The Dow Industrials trading sideways also. That being said, you get a slow rollover. The slow rollover, these are always interesting when you get a slow rollover. That rollover started on December 13th. Right now, we're dealing with the 24th of January. And bottom line is that they'll get a lot of numbers coming out. So we'll see where this shakes out. But I expect the Dow is going to go test the 19,677 before we go try to test the 20,000, if in fact we ever get there. NDX 100. Now, the NDX 100 went to lower lows yesterday and did have an expansion of volume. This is subtle, no two ways about that, but that's saying that the good old Qs right now are up 6 cents at 123.41. That's saying that the Qs actually want to get down and retest the 122.57. Gold contract, gold and silver, folks, are in confirmed ABC structures on the way up. This morning, gold is up $1.60. You have the volume behind the move. We've already done 120,000 contracts. That's big contract volume for early in the morning. Yesterday, you did 237,000 contracts. You are pushing into the swing point of 12.18. You're pushing in with volume. Gold contract wants to run up to this 12.58 area. If we go over and we take a look at the silver contract, same type of setup in silver. Silver has buyers, has contract volume, all of the above. Silver right now is trading at the price point of $17.29. You've done 26,000 contracts. Bottom line, silver wants to run into this $19 area. And what is it all about? It's all about King dollar, folks. King dollar rejected higher price, came down with big volume. Right now, you're at 99.935. King dollar wants to make its way down and test the December 8th low, which is 99.250. That being said, this is a major failure. If you go take a look at King dollar, what you have is this, is that King dollar was consolidating since March of 2015, got above it in November, tested the highs 3 separate times, and you are deep now into the lower range. And that lower range is saying King dollar wants to run down to the 91.880 mark. What I expect you're going to see pretty quickly, that being said, is that you're going to see King dollar run down to the 95 area, and that's where we took off from in November. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how EverBank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? EverBank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? EverBank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. EverBank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. EverBank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.